All right, also new at 11, hundreds of good-paying jobs could soon be on the way to Knox County. Tonight, the County Commission approved the so-called Emerald Project, which is expected to create 440 jobs by the year 2029. Those jobs, the county says, would have an average wage of more than $75,000. It would mean a $300 million investment from Greenheck Group, a Wisconsin-based manufacturer of ventilation equipment. Greenheck would get a tax deal to build its fourth corporate campus coming to the Midway Business Park here.